Glam Squad. Today I'm going to be doing a festival carnival look. You guys enjoy. I'm going to be using the Fasali oil to moisturize my face. Moving on to my eyebrows, I have a well-detailed video on how I do them. You can go and check that in the description box below. Just going to conceal the eyebrows. Then I'm going to move on afterwards and just go in and blend that in. Next, I'm going to be using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. When I tell you guys, this eyeshadow palette is bomb, it is bomb. The first color I'm going to be using is the yellow color. I really didn't know what I was going for with this look, but I was just looking for like a sunset reflecting the ocean type of vibes. After applying the colors, I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm using MAC concealer. I know in my last video I did a cut crease as well. This cut crease is a full one. It's not going to be any half cut crease. Once I finish my cut crease, I'm going to go ahead with the yellow shade again and just make that pop more. Moving on, I'm going to do a shimmery blue in the inner corner of my eyes. Moving on, I'm going to take a dark royal blue with a little bit of shimmer and put that on the outer side of the crease. Once I'm complete with that, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner. Then I'll be using my NYX liquid eyeliner in white, yellow, pink, and orange. I'm going to be creating little dots. Then I will be applying my Fenty Beauty in shade 370 all over my face. Once that's complete, I'm going to be going in with my concealer and just putting that underneath my eye, on my chin, bridge of my nose, and on my forehead, just to create that pop-in, highlight, dewy look. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just blend that out the best way I can. Y'all, my boyfriend cannot just let me be. He always distracting me when I'm doing a video. But I'm going to go ahead and contour, add blush, and also add some highlight on my eyebrow and my inner eyes. Going to be applying my drugstore eyelashes. Let me tell you guys, I was starting to feel myself like, ladies, we all get like this when we, accomplishing a look. And to be making my own little lip gloss concoction, what I did was I used Vaseline and some regular eyeshadow. I wasn't gonna put on any jewels, but when this look started to come together, I was like, I really have to. For the jewels, I got the self-adhesive ones. Glitter, I used eyelash glue. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.